Boom. Right, so hit record. Okay, so news report, take 2.
Good evening. Welcome to ITV Media News. I'm Izzy Flanagan.
And I'm Kai Smith.
Tonight we'll be talking about five.
Oh, are we going again?
Yes,
we'll end.
Tonight we'll be talking about Sorry. Tonight we'll be talking about Far Cry 6 and how it will be released with an exclusive pre-order bonus.
The pre-order bonus includes golden skins for all weapons, beta access code, and a limited edition customizable figurine of Anton Castillo.
Also, it comes with a collector's edition Tostador
flamethrower.
Thank you. Also, Netflix has said The Vampire Diaries is to be removed November 1st, followed by Top Gear in late 2021.
Amazon is slowly removing all anime. Are they going to completely remove it? Swing by tomorrow to check out more.